This one is the system architecture. This one is hydrogen sensor transmitter for the hydrocarbon detection, hydrogen detection in the data center or battery room. This one is CO sensor transmitter for carbon monoxide detection in the parking garages, tunnels. This one is the IAQ sensor, indoor air quality sensor, PM 2.5, PM 10, CO2 temperature and humidity sensor. This one is the HMI. Here we click to get the IAQ detection, IAQ data. This one is the fan, small fan to show the applications when the sensors will reach the alarm value, preset alarm value, and will operate on that value. This one is the buzzer, a small buzzer, just to show the demonstration. And this one is the PLC control monitoring system. Now we will give the smoke to the CO sensor transmitter and we'll see that the fan and alarm will actuate on the different set value. Here we are giving the smoke from the agarbattis. Now you will see the value changes in the CO sensor very quickly. Response is getting the very quickly, and also return to zero is very fast. When the smoke there is no smoke, fan and alarm will stop within 10 or 15 seconds. There is the customization. We can do the customization in PLC operating system to give the delay if required by the customers, and the alarm values. We can change the alarm values as per the applications. Again, see the zero value in the CO, zero in the HMI, the hydrogen gas. Now we will give the combustible gas in the hydrogen sensor, and you will get the values. There is changes in the values.